Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Bluetooth device-related problems on your Windows 10 operating system. So, let's see how we can troubleshoot and fix the Bluetooth device-related problems on our Windows 10 operating system. So there can be several ways of fixing the Bluetooth device-related problems, so let's see them one by one. So for the first solution, what you need to do is you just need to search for services. So search for services, and then the first result which will appear here will be this one, which is services. So just click on this option, and then on this window you will be able to see some Bluetooth related options here. So as I can see on my services window, Bluetooth audio gateway service, Bluetooth support service, and also Bluetooth user support service. So whatever Bluetooth related services you see here, you just need to go to them one by one. So just double click on every service, and then you can just change this startup type to automatic. So just choose automatic here. And if the service status is stopped, you just need to start it. Okay? So just click on start. And once it's started, click on apply, and then click on OK. Okay? So you just need to go to every other service which is related to Bluetooth. So I'm going to click on the second service and then click on automatic here, start it, and once it's started, apply, and then click OK. And same I will do for the other service which are related to Bluetooth here. So at this point, after updating all the services which are related to Bluetooth, you just need to restart your Windows operating system and then see if your Bluetooth device-related problem is fixed or not, okay? So after this change, you just need to restart your Windows operating system so that you can see the changes and try to connect to the Bluetooth device or whatever Bluetooth-related problem you're facing. Just see if it's solved or not. If it's not solved, we are going to the next solution. Let's see the second solution. So for the second solution, what you can do is you just need to type troubleshoot here. So just type troubleshoot on the search bar, and you will be able to see this result which says troubleshoot settings. So just click on the troubleshoot settings option. And then once this troubleshoot window opens, what you need to do is you just need to scroll down a little, and here you will see the Bluetooth option also. So find and fix other problems under this section. You will see the Bluetooth option also. So just click on this Bluetooth option and then click on this button which says run the troubleshooter. So I'm going to just click on this option, and then it's going to detect any problem which are related to Bluetooth on your Windows operating system. This might take some time to give you the solution. So this troubleshooting can fix many different problems related to Bluetooth. In my case, you can see this problem is fixed. In your case, this status can be other status. Whatever problem you are facing, this troubleshooter will find that problem and fix it for you. As so you can see now it's fixed. And I can see the Bluetooth icon on my Windows icon bar here, okay? So the second solution is this one, to run the troubleshooter and see if your problem is fixed or not. If not, I have the last solution for you, so just try that solution also. So for that, what you need to do is you just need to right-click on your Windows icon. So right-click on your Windows start icon, and then choose device manager here. Okay, so choose device manager. And then once this device manager window opens, you will be able to see the Bluetooth option here. So what you can do here is you can just go to all the drivers which are related to Bluetooth, and then right click on the drivers, and then click on update driver. So I'm going to just click on update driver, and then you can just select search automatically for updated driver software. So I'm going to just choose this one. And what it's going to do is it's going to update the driver. If you have the older Bluetooth driver on your Windows operating system, it's going to search for the latest drivers, and then it's going to install all the latest drivers for you on your Windows operating system. So you can see in my case, the best driver for your device are already installed. But if you have any older version of drivers, this process is going to update all the drivers, and then hopefully your problems will be solved. So I will do the same for every driver here if your problem is not fixed, and hopefully your Bluetooth related problem will be solved on your Windows 10 operating systems. So these are some of the ways using which you can fix your Bluetooth related problems on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.